Many investors are confused between investing in gold ETF and sovereign gold bond. Let's welcome our industry expert Mr. Sandeep to give clarity on this now.
Those are two different kind of products. So sovereign gold funds are not available at all points of time. So you have to buy it from the open market or when the government issues. But whereas the gold ETFs are available in the exchange, you can buy it from a small unit as well, and you can do a regular kind of an investment into ETFs. So both the products are good, but I think sovereign gold funds are little less liquid in the market, so it becomes little difficult to trade, and then you have to wait for the sovereign gold funds to come up with the issue when you want to do an investment. Whereas in case of an ETF, it is much more easier way to do a transaction.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.